Hey YouTube, what's happening? Chris here. I wanted to bring you guys just a very quick update on Bitcoin. If you guys could, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll get into this. We're just going to be looking at it on the 1 hour chart, and we're going to be digging in if I really believe that this is some type of a breakout here, what's going on, my thoughts on it. And this is just my thoughts, guys. Remember, I'm not an expert here. I'm just doing the best I can. I want to show you guys what I'm thinking. Alright, so what we're having here, we had a nice breakout on the 1 hour, and we're up above the 20 EMA, the 50 EMA, and the 200-day moving average, and they're crossing right now. You can see the shorter term crossing above the longer term. Now, on the RSI, we're getting a bit overextended. On the 1 hour, we're at 76, which, guys, it definitely could run up higher. You've seen that we've been there before. We've been as high as 96 before, so there's definitely more room to run if it wants to. And where I would look at for us running into overhead resistance would be here around this 36.49, and we're getting pretty close to running into that right now. And then this red overhead resistance line here that you guys can see right up here, and we're going off the real bodies on that. So what Bitcoin did, which is exciting, is it broke out of this symmetrical triangle that we've been in. So let me pull this back. Alright, so we had our symmetrical triangle. Let me see if it'll show a little bit more here. I don't know if it'll do it or not on the 1 hour for me, but we'll just go right there. So what you're seeing is that breakout. Now we're testing this red line right up here. Alright, so that's going to be overhead resistance. Then our next overhead resistance is going to be around that 37.20. Those are the areas I want you to look at. But remember how we talked about, is this a BART pattern or is this like a bull flag type deal? And here's our flag pull. We started moving sideways, and now we're starting to get that break up. But be careful, guys. We can always break up, come back down, test the trend line, and then make another attempt at it. We could go straight up now, blast through that, and make an attempt at it. Even though the RSI is getting a little high, guys. Remember, 70 is overbought, and under 30 is oversold in traditional markets. We know crypto can get overextended both ways. Or you could have this breakout where you come up and then we come back down and we actually fall down back into this triangle. So I want you guys to be aware of that. But what you're seeing here, though, is our RSI at this point was up to 96. You can see where the price got. And here, guys, our RSI is around that 70. Let's see, 76 right there, and our price is not as high. So there is still some more room to run to come up here and see if we double top or if we can get up above that. Main thing is to keep an eye on the volume and also keep an eye on these candles. So we're going to zoom in on the candles real quick and just show you what I'm thinking here. Alright. And you guys tell me if you think this is a true breakout. I think I would like to see a little bit more volume. You know, we had this fake out here where we had that really long wick. But, you know, we got out of this, guys, and almost like a three white soldier pattern running out of there. And if we could close right here, that's a very strong candle close right there. So that would be a Marabazoo close with no wick if we were able to do that. But you can see our closes were just getting higher. Came out of here. Like I said, I'd like to see a little bit more volume. But we made a nice little run from right here. So we had that big push down on volume. And then we put in this, like, I'd say spinning top candle close to a doji candle. And then we started our move up and we got over these moving averages. And now we're going to have to see if this trend line here, we're going to keep it as support. And if we're going to keep these moving averages as support. But my main thing is just don't FOMO, guys. Pay attention. Really see what we're going to do here and see what we do with this overhead resistance that we have right there. So God bless each and every one of you. Please let me know down below what you're doing. And if you like when I just give you guys these quick little updates of something that I'm seeing, I had an alert, wanted to run here, get you the update, you do what you want with it. So God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.